system are what are there in 8 planets? See, first one is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. These are the 8 planets. The Earth stands just the middle among the 8 planets or regions to see. The 4 planets are larger planets. Which planets are larger planets? Uranus, Neptune, Saturn. Uranus, Neptune, Saturn and Jupiter. These 4 planets are larger. And small planets are, which planets are small planets? Mercury. Which planets are small planets are there? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. These are all small planets. And in the Mars, Venus and Mercury are smaller than is also many other minor planets. What is Sun? Sun is a star or planet? Sun is a star. The sun is a star, not a planet or around which the Earth and other planets revolves in way. Which can say that sun is the head of our solar system. Which star is the head of the solar system? The sun is the head of our solar system. And 8 planets are nearest to this star is nearest to the Earth. The star is nearest to the Earth, so we are all visible, or the sun gives us what? Light and brightness. The star is nearest to the Earth. Star is nearest to the Earth. And 8 planets. 8 planets, first one is Mercury. Mercury is the smallest and the what? Closest to the sun. See, suppose this is a sun. This is perfect. First one is Mercury, small is the next Venus. This is for Earth. See, these 3 planets are nearest to the sun. First one is Mercury planet is nearest to the sun, and this is the closest and smallest to the sun. This is which planet? Venus. The Venus is second planet. The Venus is which planet? Second planet. In the sun said to the mostly closed in the Earth. Mostly closed in the Earth. Now close ke Earth the closest to the which planet? Venus planet closest to the Earth, because it remembering mass, density and diameter. It is called Venus planets. We call it a sister of planet. Why it is sister of planet? It is called mass, density and diameter. And Earth now briefly discuss. Earth guరించి yesterday also not said no. Now Earth. Today we will explain about Earth. And next Mercury, Venus and Earth is completed after. Next what? Mars. Mars planet is a fourth planet. The sun is recognized. The Mars planet is which in color? The Mars planet is red in color. The Mars planet is red in color. Mars. It is color. The Mars planet is red in color. And Jupiter is biggest planet, the largest planet. Jupiter is the largest planet. Jupiter is the largest planet. In the Jupiter is which planet? Which space? Fifth planet, and Jupiter is the largest planet. And the most massive of the planet in our solar system. The atmosphere of Jupiter contains water, ammonia, and methane and carbon. These, okay now. What are there in the Jupiter planets? Jupiter contains water, ammonia, methane and carbon. Water, ammonia, methane and carbon. And Saturn is the which space? Sixth space, Saturn. Saturn is the sixth place. Saturn is the planet which is also known as rings. Is which color? Yellow and greyish color. And which planet is red in color? Mars planet. And which planet is nearest to the Earth? Mars planet. Which planet is largest planet? Jupiter. Which planet contains water, methane or carbon? Jupiter. Which planet has nearest and smallest and closest to the sun? Mercury. And which planet is the which planet is the sister of planet? Venus. Like this you remember its total all 8 planets are very important. Next, this yellow and greyish color is Saturn. The color from the gases, atmosphere and the dust particles that the atmosphere. ఈ Saturn లో dust particles from atmosphere లో మనకి changes వస్తుంటాయి కదా. Dust particles they are available in Saturn. Next one is Uranus. Uranus has equivalent diameter for 51,000 kilometers, which is almost 4 times much as the Earth, which is almost 4 times. Next, Uranus, Neptune. If Earth is 4 times Earth is 4 times of the Earth is 4 times as much as Earth. Uranus is the much 4 times of the Earth. Neptune is the last gaseous and planets in our solar system. Gaseous and the planets in the solar system. See, in this picture also is there. Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Okay na? This is the Earth inner. The Earth, how many layers under? Inner core, outer core and crust. Mantle. This is Earth. The Earth is the third. Now discuss about Earth. Earth is which one is the third planet? The sun to third planet from the sun. It is the 5th largest planet in the solar system. 5th largest planet in the solar system. Which one is the largest in the solar system? The sun. And 5th largest planet in the solar system is which one is Earth. Earth is the largest planet in the solar system. 5th planet is the largest in the solar system. It is only planet has atmosphere containing 21% of oxygen. 21% of oxygen. In Earth is a mantra movement, so we are told we are breathing compulsory. We need necessary to breathing is which one is in breathing? Oxygen, no? Plants gives us oxygen. Human beings are releasing the carbon dioxide. Plants absorb the carbon dioxide and release the oxygen. Which percent? How much percentage is there in oxygen in the atmosphere? 21% of oxygen in the atmosphere. It is the only planet that has liquid water on its surface. Liquid water on its surface. It is only the planet or solar system that has life. It is only the planet solar system that is life. The outermost layer of the earth is crust. The outermost layer of the earth is crust. The outermost layer of the earth is the crust. C-R-U-S-T, crust. It is about 35 to 70 kilometers thick consistence of the continuous of water bubbles. The continuous of water bubbles 35 to 70 kilometers. Water 35 to 70 kilometers water bubbles. The next layer of the about 2,900 kilometers per thickness. The last layer in the core. The last layer in the earth is core. Earth lo last layer. Which one is the last layer? Core. C-O-R-E. Core. The planets are closer to the sun. Mercury and Venus have shorter years and the Earth. The Earth 93 million miles or 150 million kilometers from the sun. 150 kilometers from the sun. 150 kilometers from the sun. The Earth diameter distance round the middle of the equator is 7928. 7928 millions. 7,928 millions. 7,928 millions. The Earth diameter distance round the middle equator is 7,928 millions or kilometers per burst. See, 12,760 kilometers. 12,760 kilometers. This is for kilometers. The Earth is larger than Mercury, Venus and Mars, the planet close to it. Mercury, Venus and Mars, the Earth is closest planet of the Earth. Understood? How many kilometers for diameter for distance round the middle equator from is 7,928 kilometers or 12,760 kilometers. In what is called in the Earth is last layer is we call core. In the atmosphere oxygen percentage is 21% and Earth is the largest planet in our solar system. Let's do once again. Sun is a star of planet. Sun is a star. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Tomorrow, this draw the diagram and write the names. Okay now.